Welcome back to my Color Theory 101. This is part 2 of my little series, and this one is all about neutrals. To make neutrals from your primary secondary color wheel, you first need to understand what complementary colors are. There are two colors which are opposite each other on the color wheel. Examples are red and green, purple and yellow, and blue and orange. So how do these colors come together to make neutrals? Let me show you. We're going to start by mixing red and green together. Red is a primary color and green is a secondary color that's a mix of yellow and blue. I'm zooming in here so you can see that as I pull in more green into the red, the color changes, and it will continue to change as I add more of the green into the red. You're going to just keep mixing until you find a neutral tone, this brown tone that you want and are comfortable with. If you dilute this with water, it just becomes a lighter shade. Our next neutral we are going to make, we will be using orange and blue. I'm going to zoom in here again to show you what happens. I'm mixing in the orange and blue, but as you're going to see, I have a little bit too much of the blue in there. So how do I neutralize that? By adding orange. Just add a little bit more orange and pull in a little bit of blue until you get the right consistency. When you're happy with your color, go ahead and paint it on your paper. And once again, dilute it with water a little bit, and it will give you a lighter shade. Next, we're going to do yellow and purple. This one is more of a grayer brown. Dilute it with water to get your lighter shade. I'll be doing another video about that later. Now, red, blue, and yellow are our primary colors. If we mix all of them together, we will get our neutral tone. Now, in this example, I have way too much blue in here. So what do I need to do? I need to add more red and yellow. That should be good right about there. So let's mix these in and see what happens. That's a really nice shade. Once again, if you dilute it with water, you will get a lighter shade of that color. So there you go. There are some easy ways to mix these primary and secondary colors together to get your neutral palette. I also wanted to show you an art piece made with these neutrals. I'm going to go ahead and start with red, yellow, and blue. And I'm going to mix these, and as you watch this time-lapse video, you'll see me pulling in the yellows and the blues and the reds and mixing them in different ratios to get the different tones of neutrals that I use in this painting. There's a few different techniques here that I can go over with in other videos. Once it's dry, I finish this off with a black fine tip marker. some roses in here. This is my eucalyptus. Not sure what this plant is. And we will finish it off with a large rose. There you go. This is my neutral painting. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you later.